Hi guys, today's video is going to be a simple makeup tutorial. This is my everyday makeup routine. I'll be starting first with a primer, and I'm using this one from Nuban Beauty. It's a hydrating primer, and I'm just going to be applying that generously from the tube over my face and then going in with my fingers to blend that in nicely. It is important that you start with a good base when you are doing your makeup.
I've seen a lot of change.
After that, I'm going to go in with this power seal that I got from Miss Cosmetics or something. This is an oil control liquid, and I'm just going to press some of that onto a cotton bud and just dab that in the center of my face, which is where I usually get oily, and then wait for a few seconds for that to dry in. Then I'll be going in with my foundation. I'm using this one from Zaron Cosmetics. I'm just going to take a few pumps at the back of my hand, use my brush. I'm using this one from Real Techniques. I'm just going to spread the foundation all over my face, layer by layer.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things
looking good, guys. Now it's time to highlight and contour. And to highlight, I'm using two concealers, one from Zaron Cosmetics and the other from Nuban Beauty. And for my contour, I'm using my concealer from Nuban Beauty as well.
Not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Then I'll be going in with the same brush that I used to apply my foundation. I'm just going to start blending. I'm starting with the areas of my face where I want to highlight and where I applied my light shade of concealer to. And I'm just going to take my time to blend that in nicely, because you don't want any patches when you apply powder to bake or to set.
Move on each and every day.
I switched up my brush to contour my face, and I'm just going to use this one. I can't remember where I got it from, and I'm just going to blend my contour nicely.
This is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Over to blush, and I'm using this one from Nuban Beauty. It's a nice shade, and I'm just going to blend that onto my cheeks, and I took it a bit further into my hairline as well. And then I applied some setting powder from Nuban Beauty to the areas of my face where I highlighted.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Onto my brows, and I'm just going to slightly fill it in. Thick brows are no longer in, guys. Now we are doing very nice natural looking brows, and I tried to achieve that using this pencil that I got from Nuban Beauty.
I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time.
After filling in my brows, I went in with a spoolie to remove all of the harsh line and blend everything in nicely. For my eye look, I'm starting first with this eye primer from Zaron Cosmetics. Have you guys noticed that most of the products I'm using in this video are from Zaron Cosmetics or Nuban Beauty? Wow. I applied a bit of the primer with my fingertips, and then I went in with a brush to smoothen it out nicely. Then for my eye look, I'm going to be using this contour palette from Zaron as well. I went in with the darkest shade as Iris color, and I just applied that all over my lid. And for my tear duct, I used the highlight shade. I'm going to go in with the setting powder and just brush that under my brows just to set everything in nicely. Now I'm just applying some eyeliner, and after that I'll be going in with my mascara, and I'm using this really nice one from Zaron Cosmetics. Now that we are done with the eyes, over to my lips, and I'll just be doing a simple nude lip, mixing two liquid lipsticks that I got from Nuban Beauty. I'll go in first with the darker shade to outline my lips, and then just in the middle I'm going to apply the one that is a bit lighter, just to create a nice ombre nude look. These lipsticks dry matte, and I think they are from Zaron Cosmetics, not Nuban Beauty. That was a mistake. Now I'm just setting my entire face with my Zaron pressed powder, and I'm going to set everything that I've applied with my Nuban setting spray.
In a long time, I'm alright.
This is the final look, guys. Really simple, looks just like me, the way I like my makeup most of the time.
Way back a year ago.
I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.